Hello, smart home fans. My name is James, and I'm the owner of Local Intellitech, where we install your smart home devices with integrity and confidence. We have a great video for you, so let's get started. In this video, we will talk about Hey Google, Goodnight tech routines. We will talk about what it can do, how to set it up, and how to make changes when desired. Today we will be working with Google Nest Mini. You can set this routine up using any of your Google products, like Google Nest Hub, Nest Audio, your Google phone, and Google Assistant found on the App Store. A routine is one or several actions that occur after your Google Assistant hears one key phrase. People without a smart assistant have to complete their bedtime routine manually, walking around their entire house right before bed. With your smart speaker, one phrase can trigger your entire house to go to sleep. At home, when I say, "Hey Google, good night," my smart alarm is set for stay, my front door's smart lock locks, my bedroom smart lights turn off, my smart plug turns on my heated blanket, Google checks to ensure my smart garage door is closed. My smart thermostat is set for 68 degrees cool. My smart assistant begins playing white noise at a medium-low sound level. And my Android phone is set to Do Not Disturb. When all of this is complete, Google responds with "Good night, James," and continues playing the white noise. 9 events are triggered from one phrase. From under my covers, one voice command puts my home to sleep. To set your routine, open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Click Routines. Click Bedtime under your routines. Under the header called Starters, the phrase "When I say to my assistant" is the word or phrase Google will be listening for to start this routine. You are able to add and delete phrases that you wish to say to trigger this bedtime routine. Each starts with "Hey Google," because that is what triggers your Google Assistant to begin listening. Under the header called Actions, these are the events that are triggered when the phrase is said. We will tell our smart lock to lock the front door. The last section is suggested actions from Google for this bedtime routine. Hey Google, good night.
Good night, James.
As the year goes on, you may want to change this routine. In the summertime, you do not need a heated blanket. We will go ahead and remove that from this routine. If you need Google to wake you up in the morning, during your bedtime routine, Google can ask you what time the alarm should be set. Based on your response, it will set an alarm.
If you are having trouble staying asleep because your neighbors are listening to music at 1 a.m., you can adjust the sound volume of the white noise. When you are wondering what is on your schedule for the next day, Google can tell you tomorrow's first calendar event. When the season rolls around to winter, we can set our thermostat to heat your house during the night rather than cooling it.
I like this feature for two main reasons. First, it saves me time. I am no longer running around the house to make sure everything is locked and closed. Turning off the bedroom lights, then knocking into the bedpost as I blindly try to find my way back to bed, and opening the white noise app on my bright phone screen to push play. With one phrase, my home puts itself to sleep. Second, it adds peace of mind. Each night, I do not have to remember to complete all 9 bedtime tasks. After a long workday, the last thing I want to do is walk around the house to complete my bedtime routine. Now I can jump into bed and have Google take care of locking my home down for the night. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel above. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. For all things smart home, please visit us at www.localintellitech.com. Thank you.